Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to solve question 1 for our tutorial 1. So I hope that it will help you to go through the other questions. So let's go to the question. So it's given that the variable x, v and a have the dimension of L blah blah blah. So what we have to do is we take up all the information. So x is given by L, v is given is obviously a velocity because it's length over time, and I can also write this expression in terms of Lt to the power of -1, and we have acceleration which is Lt to the power of 2, and in other term is Lt minus 2. Okay, so they give you that these variables are related by an equation with the form of Vn to the power of n equals to 2ax, where n is an integer constant without dimension, means that n is represented by number. So what must be the value of n so that both sides of the equation have the same dimension? Explain your reason. So we are going to solve by using dimensional analysis to find the value of n. So the first thing that I will do is that I divide the equation by half, means that this side is left hand side and this side is right hand side. So dimensional analysis is to check the dimensions of both sides of the equations. So let's say that I solve for left hand side first. So left hand side is, I need to find the dimension of v to the power of n. So what is v? V is L over t to the power of n. Okay, I will do step by step. Alright, and I can also express in terms of L and t to the power of minus n. Okay, so now we do the same thing for the right hand side, but number 2 is a constant, and constant we don't include in solving by using dimensional analysis. And another examples of a constant is like pi. So they don't have any dimensions, so we just neglect 2. So we're going to solve a and x. So what is a? A is L here, and x is L. So L t minus 2 times L. So L to the power of 1 plus L to the power of 1, you will get L2 t minus 2. Okay, so dimensional analysis is to compare both sides of the equation, means that the left hand side must be equal to the right hand side. So we check our equation, L n t minus n, L2 t minus 2. So obviously we can see that n represent 2 by comparisons, so we can just write n equals to 2. So explain your reason. So basically it's just that the symmetry of the equation must be the same. So by using dimensional analysis, the left hand side must be equal to the right hand side, and it's a symmetry, so we get that n equals to 2.